Hi guys, I'm Nayonika Bhattacharya and I'm pursuing BCom Honours from Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College and I'm in my third year right now. The admission process that I had followed would slightly vary from that of yours because the latest admission process was completely online. The one that I had to follow was I initially got myself registered at the DU portal. Delhi University usually releases 5 cutoffs, and if seats are vacant even after that, it releases special cutoffs. So what we were supposed to do is, as and when the university released the cutoffs, we were to log into our portal and apply for the course and college that we were eligible for, take the application form printed out, visit the particular college and get our documents verified. Once that was done, there would be a fee payment link activated on our portal for 24 hours within which we had to make the fee payment, after which the admission process got completed. If we got a better college in the next cutoff, we were supposed to withdraw admission from the previous college and follow the same procedure for the next college. At no time are we allowed to take simultaneous admissions in 2 colleges or 2 courses. Talking about the course, BCom Honours is a very interesting as well as challenging subject, and it is a job oriented program and is ideal for students who wish to gain work experience in a business oriented organization after graduation. Some of the subjects that Delhi University offers under this program are business organization, financial accounting, business tax, cost accounting, corporate accounting, income tax, e-commerce, business law, corporate law, business maths, advertising, principles of marketing, human resource management, auditing, GST, management accounting, fundamentals of investing, and there are many more. These are just the subjects I had jotted down. And apart from this, we have general elective where we get to choose a subject of our choice. Mostly BCom Honours students choose economics as it adds on value to the CV. Also, our college provides add-on courses such as digital marketing, certification in stock market, diploma in foreign languages, which are a great value addition to our CV, and you should definitely go for these add-on courses. Coming to the placement of our college, companies like KPMG India, KPMG Global, EY, Concentrix, Wipro, Larsen & Toubro, and other such companies visit our campus for the placement drive. The highest package goes up to 4.5, the average being 3.5, and the lowest is 2.8 lakhs per annum. Apart from this, the placement cell also organizes an annual internship fair wherein companies like IDPI, Sharekhan, Bajaj Capital come for hiring students for internships, which you should definitely not miss out on. There is a lot of scope after graduating in BCom Honours. You could directly go for placement, gain work experience for a couple of years, and then go for higher studies like MBA in finance or any other specialization that you wish to go for, or do MCom after graduation, and other courses like CMA, CFA, CFP, CPA, FRM, ACCA, or you could go for chartered accountancy, cost accounting, finance, business, stockbroking, financial analysis, investment banking, or you could have your own startup. You could even go for law, teaching, fashion, media. So there is no restriction of any sort, which is the very reason even I selected this course. The faculty in our college is really very good. They are highly experienced professors who give their best. Even in the online classes that we are having, the teachers put in so much of efforts to convey the concepts and to make the class interactive and interesting. It takes a lot of patience and hard work to do it. So kudos to them. Our teachers are very helpful and approachable. You could legit talk to them about anything and everything you want to discuss about. Coming to the societies, which is the biggest attraction of Delhi University, our college has a society for every activity possible. Like some of the most reputed and popular societies of Delhi University are of ARSD, like Rangayan, the Dramatic Society, Stellar, the Fashion Society, Sarang, the Music Society, Nimbus, the Debating Society, and many non-cultural societies as well, such as ECEL, Finance and Investment Cell, Enactus, Commerce, Eco-Economico, and all the other departmental societies which have their annual fests, which are usually inter-college as well as intra-college. You would get all the exposure that you need in these societies, and you would have amazing seniors to guide you, and yeah, you can follow your passion. The infrastructure of our college is pretty good. It's very spacious. We have all the amenities of canteen, medical room, two-floor library. We have a boys' common room, a girls' common room. We have a gym, and we have an atrium, which is an open hall space which we use for all kinds of activities, right from educational purposes to recreational purposes to sports to board games to badminton. We have a huge ground to ourselves where you will find the entire college basking in the sun during the winters. The location of the college is also good, like very convenient for commutation. It's right beside the metro, and we have Satyaniketan right beside, which is very famous and popular for its street food cafes, and most of the outstation students stay in Satyaniketan. So whenever you get to visit your college, do not forget to visit Satyaniketan and explore the amazing food there. Talking about the best time of the year, the fest season, our college organizes a 3-day fest called Tide. The first day usually is a band night, the second day is a DJ night, and the third day is a celebrity night. There are n number of competitions organized by all the societies. There are a lot of popular food chains putting up their stalls, and yeah, this is the time where you can showcase all the fashion sense that you've got. So you just cannot miss out on the fest season. It's an amazing experience. Overall, ARSD provides a very safe and friendly environment, and it feels like my second home. So I'm really very glad to have been a part of ARSD.